The Sango-Ota to Iroko Expressway is a key link between Lagos and Ogun states, and further west into Benin Republic, making it a core part of the ECOWAS trade corridor. But over the past decade, this vital road became almost unusable. Broken sections, flash floods, daily gridlocks. It slowed down businesses and disrupted lives. Local manufacturers, traders, worshippers, heading to Canaanland, and even cross-border truckers all had one complaint: the road was a nightmare. After years of advocacy, the federal government, in collaboration with Ogun State, finally began a comprehensive rehabilitation, one that includes not just asphalts but also major flyovers at Oju Ore and Canaanland. The long-awaited transformation of the Oju Ore axis on the Sango-Ota-Idi Expressway is steadily taking shape, as construction of the new flyover bridge is now visibly progressing with the installation of piers. A major milestone that marks the transition from foundation work to structural elevation. For years, Oju Ore roundabout has been one of the most notorious traffic choke points in Ogun State. Located at a strategic junction connecting Ota to Yanoyesi, Aton, and onward to Iroko, the intersection has long been overwhelmed by commercial buses, traders, and cross-border traffic. The federal government decision to construct a flyover at Oju Ore is part of a broader effort to rehabilitate the Sango-Ota-Idi corridor, an essential West African trade route that links Lagos to the Republic of Benin through Ogun State. This is the Winners Bridge, one of the newest flyover under construction on this busy federal highway, and as of May 2025, it's moving very fast. When I visited in November 2024, construction was just starting. But now, just 6 months later, this entire location looks almost unrecognizable. Massive piers have risen, beams are being laid, and casting work is progressing daily, compared to Oju Ore, where work is still largely on piers. The Winners Bridge is being constructed as part of the rehabilitation and expansion of Sango-Ota-Idi Expressway by the federal government. It's designed to take traffic over the very busy junction in front of Canaanland, allowing local access traffic to use dedicated service lanes below. Why is the construction at this location moving so fast? Well, one reason could be the urgency created by what's happening just behind it, the Ark Auditorium inside Canaanland. Living Faith Church is constructing a 100,000 seat capacity worship center known as the Ark Auditorium. It's one of the largest religious buildings under construction anywhere in the world right now. From the construction ongoing here, it's suggesting that these are all part of synchronized push to have the bridge and auditorium ready. Many people assume that the bridge is being built by the church. Understandably so, it's located right in front of Winners Chapel and it seems to benefit the church directly. But this isn't a church-funded project. The Winners Bridge is being constructed by the Federal Ministry of Works as part of the Iroko Highway Rehabilitation Project. It is a federal initiative paid for by taxpayers, not church members. But make no mistake, this bridge will serve more than just churchgoers. This route connects Nigeria to the Republic of Benin. Thousands of vehicles pass through daily: trailers, tankers, buses and commuters. It links to industrial hubs like Agbara, Igbesa and Aton, and now also to the new Sokoto-Badagry Highway. So whether you are heading to work, school or Sunday service, this bridge will help you move better. Though no official deadline has been publicly declared, the speed of construction suggests that the Winners Bridge might be completed by 2026 or early 2027.